This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking your story concept and the exact shots you need. This saves time later. Once decided, load a world or create a flat set and position builds for clear sightlines. Make sure to set time and weather to match mood, then enable smooth camera tools or a mod for scripted paths. Record footage at 1080p and 60 FPS or capture image sequences to avoid compression. Once you have several takes, label files clearly so editing begins without hunting. Once clips are in your editor, you shape the narrative by cutting to story beats and trimming excess. You should place voiceover on its own track and align lines to character actions. Adjust cut so actions lead, not lag. Make sure transitions are motivated, match movement or sound. Add ambient layers and low-volume music under VO, duck music automatically so speech stays clear. Use simple color correction to match clips and render short proofs to check timing and emotional rhythm before finalizing. Finish by applying final audio balancing and a subtle master limiter so levels stay consistent across devices. Once done, export 2 files, a compressed H, 264 for upload and a lossless master for archiving. Add a concise title card, subtitles, and a thumbnail that shows the story hook. If you encounter lip or audio sync issues, check for frame rate mismatches and re-export with consistent FPS. If dropped frames appear, convert source clips to a new intermediate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.